Hi. Okay, bye bye, bye bye. What song about dog? Some rap song. Some beer. Oh, I don't drink beer. Making sausage. Where is sausage? I just see like pork.
I'm alright. I think like this. I think
There's a lot of food here, Chad. Oh, come on, lady. Yes. What kind? I have no idea. Oh, it's his birthday. Shit, I didn't have anything for him. Shit, I didn't have anything for him. In my wallet. Oh, that's the guy. My friend. Go talk to him.
so. It's ending when everybody.
Follow. Can I say hi? Am I gonna interrupt his video? Oh, sure. Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
We come get tattoo and streaming. Yeah, happy caster.
Happy Costa. Yes, I
Yeah.
know.
I was in your channel often.
I
Hi, right?
I don't have a chance to watch your channel yet.
Oh.
Can you guess where I'm from?
Hi.
Oh, hi, yo.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi and
Thai and Thai.
no Hi and
Just Thai.
okay.
Where were you filming before?
What?
Do you streaming?
Where
Oh, what's your channel?
Where were you filming before?
We coming to get tattoo.
Tattoo gang.
We go get tattoo.
Get tattoo.
Go get tattoo.
Okay,
See you
bye
guys.
bye.
Have
What are you
one day
gonna get?
We can stream together. Hope one day. Happy caster.
Happy Caster on Twitch.
Caster.
What? Elephant?
Secret.
Oh, secrets. Okay. Picture. Oh, shit. Oh.
My friend.
One more.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Picture.
Yeah.
Are you streaming right now?
Yes. No. I'm not.
Walk
Three
around?
towns.
Free
Yeah.
time. Okay, let's go then.
Where is your friend? The other boy.
My friend?
Mhm.
Which one?
Are you alone today?
Wait, I have to get something. You can go first. I walk after you. Girlfriend?
Yes, he need to go back to girlfriend, but he not want to eat.
Because she's waiting for me for dinner. So if I go back and I'm full already and I don't eat with her, she won't be happy, right?
Stay here. Why not?
Why not?
You can, spend time.
home empty too, so no problem.
Now it depends on what of the budget we're talking about.
Young lady, old lady, up to you. Yep.
It's your birthday today?
I have injection, yes.
Oh.
You want to go with small lady? She's small.
Hit him again. Hit him again. Yes, yes.
Look at happy one. This more big, huh?
For you. I know you don't smoke weed, but you know.
No, I never do.
Yeah, I know you never. Tree town, tree town, tree town. Did he just disappear? Well,
Don't film her. It's okay, you can come.
hello.
Don't worry.
Hi.
Yeah.
I have many friends.
Oh, you have many.
You have many friends?
Oh, she's good.
Want to be friend?
We go to the market.
Yeah, let's go. I don't know if it's open or not.
It's open.
It's open?
I passed that before.
New gimbal?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, this one is better than the first one. See the zoom. I zoom. And I can track you. I can track an object. Cáiอะไร?
Hello.
ขายเครื่องสำอางเมคอัพ
Makeup.
เมคอัพ
Oh, for ladies, not for men.
บาร์โค้ดอะบาร์โค้ดต้องเซลเมคอัพ
Really nice stuff. Coconut. Coconut.
It's closed. You remember I bought drink for you?
yes
จำได้ไหม
yes จำได้
Sure.
Bar is closed now.
No, she was very good, calling people here and there. Where is your bar? Oh,
เนนนี่บาร์
Nanny bar.
Okay.
เวลคัมเนนนี่บาร์บาร์โอเพ่นเวลคัม
Okay.
Now it's a cosmetic. Welcome. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
บ๊ายบาย
Nanny bar.
Nanny bar. What? Yeah, let's go other side. What's up, girl? I see you have a nose surgery. Really cute. Amazing. Smiley face.
Hey.
Hey. Yeah, still kind of busy. Not that busy, but still busy. I love apple. Oh, look at this eye. So cute. Sorry.
พี่ขอโทษซอยอันนี้ที่19ซอย19 Okay.
This area is busy, right?
Yes.
Oh, women, yes. Hi.
I want to talk to this girl.
Oh, you talk to this girl.
I want to be your friend. Okay? Are you okay? Shall we check where's your touch? This one?
yeah okay bye
Bye bye. This is a good YouTube video area, right? A lot of people, right?
Yes.
Oh, some plastic bottle here. I don't think there are women. I am in. I like your shirt. Cucumber. Oh, sorry. Oh, some banana here, chat. Banana. Coconut. Shampoo. And other stuff. Yeah. Girls. Yes. Girl.
Let's go to 3 town.
3 town?
Yeah, my bike is over there.
Okay, let's go check it out.